12 News investigates an alarming low number of Milwaukee Public School kindergartners with the measles vaccine.
Yeah, so state numbers reveal the number of vaccinated MPS students is substantially below the state average and not even close to other districts in the metro area. Let's show you the numbers. The state average for kindergarten students last school year, it's about 85%, but state health department records show only 56% in MPS are immunized now. This as health officials investigate 9 cases of measles in Oconto County, the first here in 2025.
12 News' Kendall Keys has been digging into these numbers, and she's joining us live at MPS headquarters. Kendall, you spoke to a top health official in the district.
Right, Deanna, and she acknowledged that the school district has a lot more work to do. The safest scenario would be to have 90% of the children vaccinated. More than 90% would be at herd immunity, and the district is many percentage points away from that. Tashonda Edelin is the manager of health services at Milwaukee Public Schools.
My primary role is to oversee the school nursing program.
Before the school year even begins, a hurdle.
It has been a challenge to get students to be vaccinated.
A life-threatening but preventable illness, measles.
So it's not, where one student gets it, we're okay. It can be 20. Because it's so contagious.
What comes to mind when you hear about something that contagious making its way to Wisconsin?
What comes to mind is like anxiety, because it puts you in the mind of what do we need to do.
There's an urgent push for everyone to get vaccinated for measles.
This is entirely preventable, and there are already cases that have been confirmed in the state of Wisconsin.
For the 2024-25 school year, the state health department reports just 56% of Milwaukee Public School kindergartners meet the minimum requirements for the measles vaccine. We compared that to data from other districts in the metro area. West Allis West Milwaukee reports 86%, Wauwatosa at 94%, while Franklin sits at more than 95%. In Waukesha County, the Waukesha School District has 88% compliance, while both the Elmbrook and Hamilton school districts report greater than 95% of kindergartners up with the MMR vaccine. Other lower compliance districts are Racine at 78% and Kenosha at 74%, still well above Milwaukee.
Why is MPS's vaccination rate so low?
I know the numbers started going down after COVID. When we reach out to families and talk with families in regards to being updated on vaccines, it's more so the hesitancy about it. We're working very hard to try to close that gap.
An important conversation to have, Kendall, especially because school starts in just a few weeks.
Yes, Deanna, so the clock is ticking. The district hopes to have a dedicated MMR vaccine clinic before school starts, but nothing's been announced so far. But we do know the city has MMR doses available for anyone to take advantage of at their clinics.
All right, Kendall Keys reporting live for us in Milwaukee tonight. Thank you.